Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we got full spoilers for the Ice Cream Beauty bag and box, and I cannot wait to share them with you. They are so good this month. I know I say this every month, but really this box this month is so good. But really quick before we get into the spoilers, if you're not familiar with Ice Cream, they offer a bag that is $12.50 a month plus shipping. You get 3 to 5 full-size items. And the Ice Cream box is $25 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items, and you're guaranteed a palette in every box. And if you use code Michelle10, that's going to save you 10% off your first subscription of the bag or the box. But yeah, girl, as always, grab your coffee and let's go ahead and talk about some spoilers. So of course, I always start off with the Ice Cream Beauty bag spoilers. So we're going to start with the star of the show, which is always the palette for me. And this month's palette for the bag is super cute. It's a palette from K&C Beauty. This is the Zodiac palette. You're going to get 11 different shades, some blues, greens, peach, pinks. I really like how this palette is laid out. Very cute. Okay, girl, so spoiler number 2 for the bag is going to be a product from Bella Pierre. And this is their 4-piece lip gloss set. Girl, this is going to be so beautiful for spring and summer. And again, I love when subscription boxes give you kits like this. So that way you have more than just one option when it comes to a lip color. And I love that. Bella Pierre is a really great brand. I really like a lot of their products that I've gotten. Okay, girl, so for the last spoiler for the beauty bag is going to be a product from Beauty Creations. And this is a setting spray set. They are mini sized, so you are going to be receiving both of them. And one is scented peach and one is scented in rose. So I love that. I love that you're getting both because personally, I'm not a big fan of rose scented stuff. I would much prefer to get the peach. So at least this way you're getting both, whether you like more of a floral scent or if you like more of a sweet scent. So that's really nice as well. I mean, girl, for $12.50, you're getting 4 lip glosses, 2 setting sprays, and a palette. You really cannot beat that. That's pretty good. Okay, girl, so let's go ahead and jump into the box. I'm so excited for the box. It's going to be a good one this month. So first up is the star of the show. This was our choice item, which was really cool that we got to pick what palette we wanted, or we got to pick both of them for an extra $7. We got to get both palettes, which is really awesome, especially for this brand. Now, this is from Gourmand Girls, and they have amazing quality in their eyeshadow palettes. I actually have a palette of theirs that they collabed with St. Angel Centers, and it is an amazing palette. I love it. I use it all the time. So the first choice was a virtual and the second choice was power. So the first one is a bright colored palette, girl. It's got pinks, yellows, blues, greens, orange, and that is the one that I picked. I cannot wait to play around with those colors. And the second palette is more of your grungy palette. So that's got your olive greens, your blacks, your whites. Either way, beautiful palettes. I love that we got a choice for that one. How amazing is that we're getting choices? I love it. Okay, girl, so for spoiler number 2 is going to be a product from Gerard Cosmetics, and this is going to be a lip liner in the shade Bel Air. I always love to try out new lip liners, and I do not think that I've ever tried anything from this brand, so I am excited to get a new lip liner. Okay, girl, so spoiler number 3 for the box is going to be a product by Beauty for Certain by Bia. And this is going to be a highly pigmented lip gloss. And we're going to receive 1 of 3 possible shades. I'm not sure what the shades are, but it's really cool that we're getting a lip liner and a lip gloss together. I love when they do that. I love when we get a lip liner and a lip gloss together. Okay, girl, so for spoiler number 4, I'm super excited about this product here, and this is going to be a product from Swarovski, and this is a 3D rose blush. Now we're going to be receiving 1 of 4 possible shades. Again, I'm not sure what the shades are, but girl, I'm telling you, I have been wanting a blush like this. I have seen these blushes all over Instagram, TikTok. Super cute. I just love that. It looks like a little rose. I cannot wait to get it and try it out because honestly, I've been really into blushes lately. So I am super excited about this product. That was a nice little surprise. And how cute for spring that we're getting a little rose blush. Super cute. I love it. Okay, girl, so for our fifth and final spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty Box is going to be a product from Chantico Beauty. And this is going to be a liquid duochrome shimmer eyeshadow. And I cannot wait to receive this. It looks so beautiful, and if you love Chantico Beauty's loose pigments, girl, as much as I do, I know that you're going to be just as excited as I am to get the liquid duochrome. So I am absolutely so excited to receive this month's box. So I'm going to say, of course, you all know that I'm looking forward to getting the eyeshadow palette, but really I cannot wait to try the rose blush. I cannot wait to try that duochrome liquid eyeshadow. I really think it's going to be great quality because their multi-chromes that we got in the loose pigments are fabulous. So I can't wait to try their liquid shadow. So yeah, girl, I am so excited and I cannot wait. As always, girl, let me know what you're most excited for because I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.